The name of the article clinical study to evaluate the effect of a Virechana karma on a serum electrolytes. Panchakarma therapy aims at the elimination of excessive dosha from the body to maintain the state of a health for a longer duration, while a Shamana therapy is for the suppression of a viated dosha within the body. Virechin is one of the Panchakarma therapies where in a purgation is induced by the drug, and it is specifically aimed at the elimination of excessive pitta dosha from the body. Normally, after Virechan karma, patient does not complain of having any uh, untoward like those patient after a diarrhea due to dehydration. This study was conducted to evaluate the effect of a Virechan karma on the serum electrolyte level and to ascertain the safety of a therapeutic purgation. This study involved estimation of a serum electrolyte level before and after the Virechan in a 15 patient, and results are suggestive of a safe application of a Virechan therapy as the deviation in a electrolyte level were within the normal range. Introduction. Vahated dosha is the basic factor in the manifestation and the progression of any disease. Panchakarma therapy, specifically the Sanshodhana like a Vamana Virechan, is one of its kind which aims at the elimination of the Vahatina dosha from the body so that the diseases could be prevented, or if the pathology has an already established, treated in a most effective manner. Virechana karma is a one among the Panchakarma therapy which eliminate the excessive Vahated dosha in a general and a Pitta dosha in a particular from the body through the anal route. Under the normal circumstances, if a patient suffers from a diarrhea, then certainly there is a loss of electrolyte from the body, resulting in a weakness, development of a cramps due to a dehydration, and sometime a low BP and a renal failure. After, if a purgation is induced through the Virechan therapy, and if the Samyak Shuddhi occur, no symptom occur, the assessment of a Virechana is based on a various parameter termed as the Shuddhi criteria, like a Vaigiki, that is a number of bouts of a stool pass, Maniki, that is a quantitative measurement of a stool, Laingiki, that is a symptom based assessment, and a Anteki, assessment based on an end point of a purgation Shuddhi. The dosha eliminated are classified on the basis of a number of bout of evacuation as a low, medium and high quantities, that is a Hina, Madhyam and Uttama Shuddhi. These are the 10, 20 and 30 respectively. After the purgation in such a high number, if there is an electrolyte imbalance, it needs to be evaluated and levels are to be compared before and after the Virechan therapy. The present study was aimed at ascertain the safety of a Virechan karma on a certain subjective and the objective parameters, and to evaluate the serum electrolyte level before and after the Virechan karma. Material and method. The study was conducted as follows. 15 cases were enrolled for the Virechan karma at the PG department of the Panchakarma. All registered cases were evaluated for a serum sodium level, serum potassium, serum chloride, serum calcium level before and after the Virechan karma. The results were analyzed statistically using a pair t-test. P is greater than 0.1 whereas considered insignificant. P values in between 0.05 and 0.001 whereas considered significant. P is less than 0.001 where taken as a highly insignificant. Treatment plan, that is Virechan karma. The procedure of Virechan karma was performed in a 3-step, that is a Purva karma. The preparatory procedure is to be performed before the main therapy, which include a Deepan and Pachan, use of appetizer and the digestive drug, followed by the Snehapana, oral administration of a medicated ghee for 3 to 7 days as per the koshta of the patient until achieving a feature of adequate oilation. This is followed by the Abhyanga, that is external application of oil, and a Svedana for the next 3 days. Pradhana karma, which means the administration of a Virechan drug as per the diseases, Bala and the koshta of the patient. The drug commonly used for inducing a Virechan in a patient are Triphala decoction prepared from the haritaki, bibitaki and the ammalaki between 80 to 160 ml, kutki, that is a picoryza kuru 15 to 25 gram, then trivrutta 15 to 30 gram, castor oil, ichha bhediras as per the requirement. After assessing the koshta and vega, the patient are observed for the samyaka shuddhi lakshana. The classical feature observed after the Virechan are a draubalya, that is weakness, laghavam, feeling of lightness, glani, that is a fatigue, vyadhi nam anutaha, that or anya annamyatvam, that is a subsidence of a disease, Hridaya Shuddhi, clarity in thoracic region, Varna Shuddhi, improved completion, Buddhi Indriya Manah Shuddhi, clarity of thought, sensoria and the intellect with the feeling of a well-being, Marutasya Anulomatah, downward movement of a Vata, काय अग्निश्च अनुवर्तनम improve the digestive capacity, स्त्रोतोशुद्धि, clarity of a channel, इंद्रिय prasad, that is improve sensory and the motor function. Paschata karma, post operative procedure, are also known as a samsarajan karma, in which a patient is advised for specific code of a conduct and dietary regimen for 3 to 7 days depending upon the number of bouts of a bowel evacuated after the administrating a virichan drug. Inclusion criteria: patient fit for a virichan karma and presenting with the samyak shuddhi lakshana, patient with the age group of a 20 to 60 year irrespective of a gender and religion, patient non suffering from any serious disease. The patient in this study were selected irrespective of the diseases for which they are advised virichan karma. Exclusive criteria: patient presenting with any serious disease having a gross electrolyte imbalance. Observation and the result: following the classical guidance for the virichan starting from the purva karma, patient were administered snehapan for an average of 5.13 days in a 15 patient. Snehapan was stopped when a samyak shuddhi features were present in the patient. Out of 15 patients, 2 had a krura koshta, 4 patients had a mridu koshta, and remaining 9 patients has a madhyama koshta. After the period of 3 days, where in a patient were advised external oilation, that is abhyanga, sudation, svedana, virichan drug was administered as per the need of a patient. The average number of bouts of bowel evacuation in the 15 patient was 17. Analysis of a serum electrolyte level: the assessment of a serum sodium level before and after the virichan was within the normal range with an average reduction of 1.80 mmol per liter, which was statistically highly significant. Serum chloride level was within the normal range before and after virichan karma, an average reduction 0.60 millimolar per liter, and this result was statistically significant. The result obtained for the serum potassium level are well within the normal range before and after the virichan. The average reduction after the virichan in a serum potassium which was significantly statistically. The data obtained for a serum calcium level and the average before and after the values lie in a normal range. The average systolic pressure before virichan 123.32 mm, and while it was 11493 after the virichan. Diastolic pressure will be less after the virichan, and average pulse before the virichan 76 per minute, while afterwards 74 per minute. There has been a transient fall in a vital parameter like blood pressure, BP, immediately after the revision. However, these values return to the normal limits on the next day of a virichan. The modern day literature suggests that a purgation leads to a dehydration, electrolyte imbalance, and the loss of electrolyte, hypotension, and a shock. Certain vyapadas, that is a complication of a virichan karma and sign and symptom of excessive virichan, are described in Ayurveda, which are similar to the feature of a dehydration and the associated complication. Hence, virechana being a therapeutically induced purgation needs to be evaluated for its safety. Thus, the present study was conducted to establish the safety profile of a virichan karma if conducted as per the classical guideline, starting with the purva karma, followed by pradhana karma, and finally completing with the samsarjan karma. To support this hypothesis, the electrolyte study was undertaken before and after the treatment. It is clear that deviation is within the normal range. In addition to this, vital parameter like a pulse and the blood pressure were within the normal limit. The clinical feature of a hyponatremia, hypokalemia, hypocalcemia were not reported in any of the 15 patients after the virichan karma. Subjectively, in one of the patients, guidance were reported due to the hypovolemia after the virichan, as the number of bouts of evacuation was 32. The condition of the patient was managed by the oral dehydration. Along with this, 2 patients also complained of a cramping of abdomen, which subside by evening in both of them. Statistically, the results show significant decrease in a level of a serum sodium, potassium, chloride level, and the significant increase in a level of a serum calcium, but all the changes were within the normal limit. Though the change in a electrolyte level was statistically significant, they were within the normal range. Conclusion: the present work was a pilot study aimed to ascertain the safety of a virichan karma, which was performed keeping in mind that panchakarma procedure through the efficacious and safe needed as an assessment of its safe application in this modern era. Serum electrolyte values were within the normal range in all the 15 patients. After the therapeutic purgation, the study was helpful in establishing the safety of a therapeutic purgation, that is a Virechan karma effect. However, in this study, the sample size was small, so a similar study in a large sample needs to be conducted to the further strengthen the finding of the study. Studies aiming at the safe application of other Panchakarma therapies can also be conducted using a various parameter. Thank you so much for listening me clinical study to evaluate the effect of Virechan karma on a serum electrolyte.